Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Amazon RDS databases with automated snapshots, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Amazon RDS databases with automated snapshots, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the RDS dashboard from the Services menu. Select the database instance you want to backup. In the Instance Details page, look for the Maintenance and Backups section. Check the Backup Settings area to review your current configuration. Click the Modify button to change the backup settings. Find the Backup Retention Period option. Set your desired retention period, ranging from 1 to 35 days. Ensure that the Automated Backups option is enabled. Scroll down to the DB Instance Specifications section. Here, verify that the instance class meets your backup performance needs. After confirming your settings, scroll to the end of the page and click the Continue button. Review your modifications and click Modify DB Instance to apply the changes. Amazon RDS will now begin taking automated snapshots based on your specified retention period. To monitor your automated backups, return to the RDS dashboard and select your database instance. Go to the Backups tab to view the list of snapshots. You can see the status of your automated backups here. If you need to restore from a snapshot, select the desired backup from this tab. Click on the Actions drop-down and select Restore Snapshot. Follow the prompts to create a new database instance from your selected snapshot. Once the process is complete, your new database will be up and running. With these settings, automated backups will continue to take place at regular intervals, ensuring your data remains safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.